Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through how to travel by bus in Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok's extensive bus network is a convenient and affordable way to explore the city, and we're here to help you navigate it with ease. In first step, understanding the bus system. Bangkok has a vast network of public buses operated by the Bangkok Mass Transit Authority, BMTA. The buses are color-coded based on their routes, making it easier to identify which bus to take to your destination. Second step is route planning. Before heading out, it's essential to plan your route by checking the bus route maps and schedules. You can find route information online, at bus stops, or by using mobile apps like Google Maps or Moveit. Third step is finding bus stops. Bus stops in Bangkok are marked with signs indicating the bus numbers and routes served. Look for designated bus stop signs along the roadside, often accompanied by a shelter for waiting passengers. Fourth step is boarding the bus. When your bus arrives, make sure to stand in line and wait for passengers to disembark before boarding. Once on board, you can pay the fare directly to the conductor or driver. Be prepared with small bills or coins as change may not always be available. Fifth step is paying the fare. Bus fares in Bangkok are typically flat rate and vary depending on the distance traveled. The fare is usually collected upon boarding, so have your payment ready as the bus travels along its routes. Many buses have electronic displays or announcements indicating upcoming stops, but it's always a good idea to stay alert and notify the conductor when you're nearing your destination. Seventh step is requesting stops. Once the bus comes to a stop, exit through the rear doors and be mindful of oncoming traffic. If you have any belongings or luggage with you, make sure to retrieve them before disembarking. Now, conclusion. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to traveling by bus in Bangkok, Thailand. With a bit of preparation and know-how, you'll find that navigating Bangkok's bustling streets by bus is a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.